Ang kakarating lang natin. First day of spring. Napakamahamog. Wala akong kita sa camera. Mahamog na yan. Mahamog sa kalsada. Kung mag-isa kang medyo malabo. Malabo ang daanan. Kasi umuulan ngayon, no? Susundin ko sana. Susundin namin si Kaden. Sana kami sa playground, kaya lang umuulan. Paano maglalaro si Ella? It's raining. We're going to get wet. Kaya yan. Yan natin sana tumila.
One eternity later.
Guys, ito na kami sa school ni Kaden. Uwi na lang kami dahil maambon. So, punta din ako sa office para itanong kung kailan magagawa yung elevator. Sira kasi. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko mag-iigit ng pag-inom tubig namin. Ang nabuhatin yung galon ng tubig simula sa labas sa packet. Sana magawa kahit Sabado pa naman, hindi naman linggo. Ano napunta bukas yung contract. No, Ella. Tumigil na yata yung ulan. Pwede na tayong pumunta. Check natin, ha? Let's check if it's still raining. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
A few moments later.
Yan, nagpumilit si Ella. Mga ano pa, 5 minutes, 6 minutes pa bago mag-alarm. So, tama lang, laro saglit. Hindi naman ganun kalakas, parang ambon lang, ambon. So Ella, you wanted to play? Yes. Only the other one, huh? The other slide, huh? Because there's water there, oh. There's still water. Only the other slide you can go. Okay? You cannot go to the other side yet. See? There's a pool of water. Oh, you play na. Where do you want to play? You want to go up? Go up na.
What?
Here. Where do you want to play? You have your snow pants. Tanggalin natin na kapag natapos. Oh, you wanted to sit lang? Sisitatingan na yung mga manunundo. Putik ngayon. Spring na. Okay, na lang natin. Hindi. Ito gusto mag-slide ni Ella, kaya lang basa oh. Hintayin na lang natin si Kaden. Mamaya lalabas na yung mga bata.
One eternity later.
Ay, si Daryl papasok na naman. Alam nyo na, pag Friday. Parang galit po. And pag Friday, nasa Chuck E. Cheese kami. So, punta lang kayo dito ng Friday. Meet up with Daryl. Joke lang. Parang ito na yung start ng weekend ng mga bata, kaya kailangan mag-enjoy sila.
One eternity later.
So, ayan. Ako naman na ngayon ang kasama ng mga Chanaks. Where are we going now?
To home, to work.
Where is your daddy?
At where? At work.
Today is, what is the day today? Friday! Friday means?
Slumber party.
Ano sabi mo, Ella? Ano daw?
It means slumber party. No, Friday means
Tingnan nyo guys yung difference noong February hanggang kahapon. 1.24 dati, ngayon 1.52 na.
See me.
Si Ella. Oh. Dito na kami sa bahay. So, today is Friday.
Friday and Saturday.
Yes. Ayan, gumagana na. A while ago, it's not working. Kaninang umaga, di ba?
I think this
Oh.
is not a good idea.
You press na the number. Why? O yung pizza mo mahulog. Dance.
This is not a good idea to take the elevator.
Why?
Because what if it's broken a little bit?
Ay, nervyoso. Are they gonna allow you to use it if it's broken? Nope. They will fix it before they're gonna allow you to use it. Okay, so, pag Friday, Laba Day na namin kasi may pupuntahan kami ng Saturday and Sunday. Ayan, medyo busy. Ayan guys, ang laki ng aso niya. Ano? Sobrang laki. Ayan guys, susunduin muna natin si Daryl. May dala siyang mga tubig kaya. Dadalhin ko tong kuwadon. Diba? Swerte, may taga-sundo. Nakapambahay lang ako kaya.
Living in the moment, dancing with my dreams, with my family. Staring at the sunset, hugging in the wind while we still can. Live it up with my family. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up with my family. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up. It's a big world, and we're in it. The fun's never gonna end. We're never gonna give in.